then the next part of the whole equation is not just the amount of reward. It's not just how much reward you're going to get. It's the speed of reward. How quickly can you profit? How do you answer that question? You look at it and you go, based on the 5 steps, is the price trending? Is it trend? Am I entering a trade following trend? If it's trending, if it's inside the 1 and 2 standard deviation of the Bollinger Band, it could be trending upwards, could be moving faster upwards. Has news increased the price volatility in one direction? Maybe they have just increased interest rates, pushing price a lot higher straight away. Or are indicators aligned? It's inside the 1 and 2 standard deviation of Bollinger Band. MACD has just crossed over. Price stochastics is trending up towards overbought region. PSAR is below the candle. I would expect that the candlesticks or price will move upwards quite quickly when I have indicators being aligned.